Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. And in the context of handling divorces, the question always comes up, what level of communication should I have with my soon-to-be ex? You know, it's a very good question. I suppose like anything else in life, it's going to very much depend on the specific facts and circumstances. If your communication is the kind of communication that is productive and helpful to furthering the resolution of the problem, good lawyers are going to tell you to keep the lines of communication open. On the flip side, those same good lawyers are going to tell you to cut it off if that communication is toxic, if it's inflammatory, if it has a tendency to result in the police coming to your home. If that's the level of communication you have, do everybody a favor. Don't do it. What you should do is blame it on your lawyers. If he or she reaches out to you and wants to talk about something, you know it's just an invitation for a fight, just blame it on your lawyer. Say, you know what, my lawyer, he's really very strict about these things. I don't want to lose my representation, but the rules are that I'm not supposed to talk to you. So therefore, you've got something to say, tell your lawyer, he'll tell mine. And in that way, you use your lawyers as a buffer between you and toxic communication. Ultimately, most divorces are going to end up being resolved. And that means that there is going to have to be some compromises down the road. If you engage in communication that's very damaging in the early parts of your divorce, it may very well impede your ability to resolve things. And so you don't want that to happen. Not to mention, if there's children involved and you have a 2-year-old, well, no matter what happens, you're going to be involved with that other person for another 16 years until that child becomes 18. And therefore, if communication is particularly toxic, it's probably not a good idea during the divorce to have too much of that, because you're going to have to get along in the post-judgment era. You're going to have some sort of post-judgment relationship that's livable. If communication during divorce helps that, by all means. If it hinders that, it's something that we have to consider how to approach, and perhaps we've got to take a back seat on those kind of things, at least till the dust settles and the communication can be done in a normal, respectable, and appropriate way. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share.